Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So as you can see, this is what the device looks like itself. It comes with a user manual. This is a plug for drainage when you want to drain it out. You're just going to take this off, plug it in here, and just like pour it into your sink if you want to drain everything. This is where you're gonna fill it up with water. You're gonna fill it up to right there. And I'm gonna show you all the functions right now. So this has 8 different filtration stages, and it removes up to 1,000 different things out of the water, which is awesome. It's also supposed to get up to 32 degrees, so the same as like a refrigerator. So we're gonna see how this works. So I did go ahead and buy this to test that theory. Okay, so when you first start out, you're going to fill this up 3 times, dump it out, fill it up, dump it out, because it allows the filters to clean themselves out, like kind of filter through. You can do volume, reset filters. If you reset, that's start, cooling, sleep flush, and then it'll tell you how many ounces right here. So right now it can't do cold because it needs to cool everything down, but you can do volume. So you can go 4 to 17 ounces. I'm just gonna start with 4. When the light is no longer red, you know that it's cool. Okay, I got a fresh batch, so we'll let it get cool again. So it's at 8 ppms, and then you can do this. Let's go Celsius, Fahrenheit. So right now it's at, so as you can see, it's 48.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature just goes up and down, just depending. But it is getting cooler. Like the longer it sits, the cooler it'll get. And then if you want to know how cold it is, you just go right here, and it's going to tell you the temperature. 43 degrees Fahrenheit.
Mommy, this is the best water I've ever had.
Let's go ahead and drink it though.
Isn't that good water?
It's really good. It tastes like filtered water, like bottled water. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.